oil not pumping properly in your Velocity pressure fryer or open fryer? You might just need to replace your filter pan O-rings. Worn or cracked O-rings let air in, causing bubbles, slow fills, or no fill at all. Good news! You can fix this yourself and skip a service call. Here's how. 1. Remove the old O-rings. 2. Roll on the new ones. 3. Lubricate with a little fresh oil. Replace 3 on the filter pan connection and 2 on the filter screen. Use part number 175860, pack of 12. Quick, easy, and no downtime. Keep your kitchen moving.